Hello Julio, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor. I'm presenting a personal video for you for this 2014 Ducati Monster 200. The kilometers is 26,500 kilometers and the price is 10,488 plus GST and licensing. This motorcycle comes with a brand new front tire and also comes with a thumb protector and brand new rear turret and a solo seat cover. This can travel with a passenger. They have the pegs already and remove the cover of the seat. Very clean, fully safety certified. If you have some questions regarding this motorcycle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you.